I've been using Artlist for a long time to create AI videos for my projects, and now they have launched something new, Artlist Studio. It's a generative AI filmmaking platform built to create high-quality cinematic videos. What makes it powerful is how it puts you in control of every shot, almost like directing your own film. You can guide camera movements, shape entire scenes, and maintain character consistency exactly the way you imagine them. So just head over to Artlist, open up Artlist Studio, start a new project, and give it a name. We will begin in the frame section where you create your images that we will later animate and bring them to life. First, let's create your character. You can either build your own from scratch or use one of the pre-made characters available in Artlist. I'm going to go with this one. From here, you can customize pretty much everything. You can choose a voice, refine the look using text prompts, and even use a reference image to guide the design. For example, I'm going to change the outfit based on this image. And once applied, it updates directly to your character. To create your character consistent across different shots, you can generate multiple angles and variations. This really helps when you start building scenes later on. Also, you can change the name, but I will keep it alias. Now let's move on to building the environment. Just like with the character, you can either use a pre-made location or create your own from scratch. I'm going to create my own scene and I will using this reference image. Start by entering your prompt to describe the environment you want. Then choose how many variations you'd like to generate. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can always tweak your prompt and regenerate until it matches your vision. I really like this one. From here, you can also generate additional angles of the same location to keep everything consistent across your shots. And don't forget to name your location. It's time to bring everything together. Start by writing a prompt that describes exactly what you want to happen in the scene. You can easily tag your character by typing @ and selecting the character you created. The same thing for location. Now go to the settings panel. For this, I will set the model to Nano Banana 2, the resolution to 2K, and the aspect ratio to 16:9. You can also adjust things like camera type and lens, but I will leave those on auto for now. Down below, you will find more controls like adjusting the camera angle, shot type, and lighting. You can also decide how many images you want to generate. And again, if you are not completely satisfied with the results, you can always edit your prompt and regenerate. Keep refining it until it fully matches your vision. So I like this one, and let's set it as our starting frame. Now let's move on to directing. This is where we bring the image to life. Start by writing a prompt that describes exactly what you want to happen in the scene. Just like before, you can head into the settings to adjust everything like AI model, resolution, and aspect ratio, and even adjust the camera and lens type. I will set the duration to 5 seconds, keep the motion on auto, enable audio, and I will generate just one video. Now your video is ready. I'm gonna keep this one. Next, let's move on to the shot 2. From here, you can repeat the same process, describe what's happening in the scene, define the action, timing, and overall composition. Just keep building each shot step by step like this until you have created your full sequence. And I want to rearrange the shot in the timeline. So I want to drag the shot 3 to the front so it becomes opening shot. Yeah, just to keep my sequence organized. You can also add reference images by clicking here and upload your file. Now you use it directly in your scene by mentioning it in your prompt. This helps guide the visual style or specific details, and it will be automatically blended into your scene when you generate it. If you want to add dialogue to your character, it's super simple. Just write the dialogue inside double quotes and type what you want the character to say.
What even is this?
Once all your scenes are finished, you are ready to export your videos. From there, you can bring everything into your video editor like adding cuts, sound design, music, and color grading to really elevate the final result.
What even is this?
And that's pretty much how you can create cinematic AI videos using Artlist Studio. If you want to try it yourself, now's actually a great time. Sign up for the Artlist Annual AI Pro plan, and you will get 50,000 free credits to start creating with Artlist Studio. It's only available for a limited time. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.